My name's Jimmy and we started First Press in 2013 in Melbourne. Just after I was travelling around the US and South America, we saw cold brew coffee in the US. I felt like it was a taste profile that made black coffee a lot more accessible than, say, an espresso coffee from a machine. And when I looked at the supermarket shelf in Australia, nothing was being done on scale, and so we saw an opportunity. There was a gap between the quality of the coffee that was in cafes compared to the quality of the coffee that was on the supermarket shelf.
I'm Siddharth Jani, founder and CEO of Tongala Nutrition. We founded this company in 2023. It's in Tongala, a small town in Victoria. Tetra Pak is our technology partner. It not only supports in the packaging side of things, but also on the processing side. We've got a beautiful high shear mixer. We also have two filling lines, both having different capabilities. One having straw and the other one having a cap, which is called the Tetra Prism. In a 300 ml packaging option, we are probably the first company in Australia to have this kind of capability. It gives us a competitive advantage in the market, in the region. We can give a platform to brands like First Press. As a manufacturer, we are giving that platform to those brands who want to try the markets first before making a huge investment, because having an infrastructure in itself is a big commitment.
What drew us to Tetra Pak and Tongala was that we really wanted a new innovative pack that we could bring into the market that had a really enjoyable coffee drinking experience, because it's very different to making a coffee at home to putting something in a carton that needs to last a long time. It's not a cheap process. It's not easy just to mix coffee and protein into a drink and expect it to go on shelf. It's very different to making something fresh. My business partner built these machines that essentially make cold drip coffee on scale. We will ship them on a chilled truck to Tongala Nutrition. It could be mixed in with almonds or oats or milk with the ingredients. It's put through the UHT system and then it comes out as a really fresh tasting product that has shelf life, which is really essential for our supply chain and for our customers globally, that we have the product that maintains that flavour over a long period of time. One thing that we really love about Tetra Pak is there's some really good sustainability initiatives, but it's also got a resealable cap. But also because of the wide cap in there, you get a lot of the aromas when you drink it. And I think that's part of the experience of drinking coffee.
Our vision is quite simple, but very ambitious. We want to make food safe and available everywhere. And it's our purpose that brings it to life. We are not just a supplier of packaging or equipment, but we are an end-to-end partner right from developing the recipe to launching your product.
With Tetra Pak and especially Tongala Nutrition, they were really flexible with us at the start on the size of the runs that we needed to do, and they really helped us with the formulation process and the testing process. So it allowed us to do a lot more things and bring out a lot more products at once than we would have been able to do otherwise. And I really feel like Tetra Pak is a part of our team and on our side and wants us to succeed. Where we've gotten now is an actual bonus for us. We are starting to see the product all around Australia, to even see it in Southeast Asia and sell something that we've created. I'm incredibly grateful. And to just hear those experiences, how it's actually helped them, because on the surface you could just say you're putting another coffee on the shelf, but if you're actually creating or allowing people to enjoy a really nice premium coffee, then that's great. We're making someone's day better.
We really envision ourselves as being the front market leaders, and we invite all the other brands. We will give them the platform and give them the manufacturing support that they need, and hopefully take their brand to the next level. We get our joys from there. If the brand does well and it grows and the volumes grow, that's a win for us as well.